What's up, NRS family? Good morning. Hope you all are doing well. And today is a very different vlog. I can say we're going to the Gujarat highway. It's on the border of the Gujarat and Maharashtra, and having a good Sunday ride, having a breakfast, and this will be very different. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the entire video and see something. I'm standing here. It's quite far from the flyover, the overhead bridge, and these lights over here are actually going till there. So that's crazy, something very different and very powerful. I just wanted to show. Wow, that's noise pollution, to be honest. That's too loud. And just wanted to show how powerful the LED lights are of this bike. So I'm sure the normal lights also, the headlights also of this bike is very powerful. So I've not faced any problem yet, but let's hope in the future also I don't have to put some additional lights or something if I'm touring or going somewhere far. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. It's almost 110 kilometers one way, so around 220 kilometers two way, 225 I can say, and we're going to enjoy this ride. So I want you all to enjoy this ride. Let me know if you all want more Sunday rides like these coming up in the future. And as you all have seen, I've been started putting videos very regularly now. So if you all have not subscribed yet, do subscribe now, and do not forget to hit the bell icon to be notified for all the upcoming videos. And one more thing, if you all have not followed my Instagram ID, go follow my Instagram ID. The link is below and the ID is flashing on the screen right away. So go follow that. Also pause the video and come back and enjoy this clip. So we have a S1000RR, one more CBR 650R, the 2021 model, and a Honda CB Highness and MTO. So enjoy this ride, guys, and let me know if you all want more vlogs like this. Comment in the comment section down below. Beautiful sun, see the sunrise, it looks so pretty. I enjoy the Sunday morning rides because of something like this. It looks so damn pretty and gives you energy. It doesn't feel like a Sunday to relax. You feel like your bike gives you all the energy to relax for the entire Sunday. So all the I believe this is like a therapy. Riding bikes is like a therapy. So on Sunday mornings, when people like to relax, have the coffee cup in their hand, this is our relaxation. Boys, only bikers can understand some feelings like this. I don't know if you all saw this, there was some stone or some particle which came right flying onto my helmet, and that's the only reason why safety is the most priority. Wear your helmet is the most safest right now. I think that's the necessity, not also safe, that's the necessity right now. So you all saw what had just happened, so please be careful while riding, and please wear your riding gear. At least a helmet is a mandatory, so that is a must. The destination for breakfast, this place is called Charoti, and the restaurant we stop mostly in is called Atithi. So enjoy these clips of the breakfast and enjoy. So you see there are many bikers out here also. So most of the bikers, as I can tell you, stop here and have their breakfast here and enjoy. So these are all the bikes.
My knees were set, I can live and feel like dying. But there's something inside of me that keeps me alive. Cold eyes staring right back at me, but they won't see me cry. This fight wasn't made for everybody, but different, you and I. Don't you know? We are thinking about, thinking right, thinking don't want both away. Call me by another name.
So what's up? I hope you all like the breakfast shots and the videos which were there on the riding and all that. And see, that's a Scarlett, and that's another new bike which is here. That's the latest 2022 Honda CBR 650R. They're identical, similar, just the graphics are changed, nothing else. And let me know in the comment section down below if you like this video and if you all want to see any more. That's Saket. If you all are not following me on Instagram, do follow me on Instagram. He's one of the photographers who clicks pictures for me, and I'll put his also ID in the link below, so do check it out.